Hey, good morning everyone. I'm Andrew, and I don't want to work anymore. It's plain and simple, just like that. It's Friday, August 29th, and we had PCE data come out, and it looked pretty good. So, chart is bullish. I know I have to work, right? That will pour you, man. Oh. I've been up. I didn't go to the gym today. All I did was back test. But I think we're bullish today. I think we're bullish. Bullish or bearish? Kind of stuck in the middle here. But gun to my head, I would have to say bullish. In between some of these, I'm good. Taking 2 weeks staycation today. Nice, man. Another little holiday for you, huh? Oh, I'm happy for you, man. I wish I could get some holidays this year. Just gotta wait. Yeah, I think we're bullish. That's what I'm going with. Come down to London breaker and then explode higher for the rest of the day. There's even this 15-minute gap here. Can even just take out this low and then work for a reversal, something like that. The breaker would be even better down here, but we'll see. How big was this candle anyway? I'll measure it from the top. $53 points. Not that big of a deal. Okay. Whew. I took a big loss yesterday though, taking that short. I'll tell you that for free. Shorted here, 2 contracts. I think I added 2 more up here, and once we got here I exited out at like $1,100 loss, even though if I just held on I would be in profit right now. You're super bullish. Okay, man. We gotta get down to what? 23,559 to go long for you. Is that your fib level? Do you have one in between here? You probably have one in between. Yeah, we got this consolidation here. Actually, well, double consolidation. Consolidation, manipulation, drop down. I don't know if we'll take out the bottom of my 7 to 9 range, but you know, anywhere under this low and into this breaker or lower. I just think the low of the day has been set. I think you're right. That's why I have this breaker in London set out, which is the last up close candle before dropping all the way to the bottom. So if we can get into the breaker or any sort of inversion here, I think I might even like, no, I'll wait for a setup, but I would love to just, maybe I will try it, just one, as soon as we drop in there. Yeah, the daily low has been set. going on this weekend? I have my my brother-in-law coming up from Seattle tomorrow morning, I think. He'll be staying here. We're gonna arm wrestle? I don't think so. I think he'll rip my arms off. Nah, he's a good guy. He's gonna stay here in my office, around the floor. I have a little mattress for him, like a camping mattress, just a foam one that I roll up. Lay that out for him. And who knows? I don't know what the plan is. Devin the Rat is so cool to watch. Who is that? Devin the Rat. Come on. Make like an inversion in here. That would be even better, but let's see what happens. Canadian arm wrestler. Really? I would have to say I've never watched arm wrestling. Only like clips that you see once in a while that show up on TV or Instagram or whatever. There's that breaker. What's the low here? Come on. I hate my mouse. You know that? 15 points? I'm gonna fucking buy that all day long. $15. That's so cheap. Ragab, what's up? Hello, hello. Watch him and you'll get hooked. Dude, I watch too many trading videos. I'm in long, dropping into this London breaker with a 15-point stop loss. I think mine's a little bit bigger. I didn't get down to the fill that I really wanted, but 18-point stop. Come on. Can't complain. I'll get aggressive on that. I am waiting for short setup in YM. Let's have a look. Why is the price action so shitty? So splotchy. You want to go short? After all the good news we got, Raghav? Let me see here. I see your argument. It looks bearish, doesn't it? What's going on? There. How was your day today? I'm a little low energy today, guys. Instead of going to the gym, I just sat up and try to I just back test, trying to get a better entry model, which I didn't even adhere to today. You know, looking for, you know, like a CISD after you take out a low, this intermediate high, once it gets closed above, then break, and then close, or sorry, then trade back down to it, and your entry would be there. So kind of like this. Oh yeah, look at that. We got smoked there. That's why you should be patient, wait for a setup instead of just assuming. Sneaky. I've been back testing some more August, September 2024, October, and November doing now. If TradingView allows, I want to back test from January of 2024. Yeah, man, that's exactly what I did. I got out of this contract and I started back testing, I think, some other one. I think the one previous to this one, the March contract. I already have data from December 2024 till now. Yeah, backtesting's fun. Except our wives and girlfriends don't appreciate it as much as we do. That's just the truth. Manipulation lower, yeah, it sure is. No first presented fair value gap either, so got in a little early, anticipating something. I don't know, man. Did we get the wrong bias? I had some sort of sneaking suspicion that if we take out this low, we might be more bearish than you think. Where is it? This one. Which is yesterday morning's low. It's Friday, they can go anywhere. It's true. I had the low of the week marked out somewhere here too. 23,373. Oh, that's 15 seconds. Let's go to the 5. This is starting to look like price action we had over here, where we had this big drop down, and then I thought in the morning we would come back up, and we just like kept on going even further. Ragav short and NQ. Yeah, this chart totally looks bearish. What's ES doing? Yeah, ES also looks bearish. Coming up and now gonna come down. Last day of the month also. I'm gonna see if I can get a... I'm not gonna take this inversion like I normally do, something more like this, and then returning here for an entry if I am gonna go long. If not, if we break below this, if we disrespect this inversion, then this is gonna be... This might be a short opportunity. Just like yesterday, it was bearish yesterday, just wrong on when. Drawn liquidity is the weekly low. Just gonna come up a little bit. I'll take that. Stop loss there. What's the target though? Should have known that already before getting into the trade. I'm switching my bias. May not have been the best trade, just in terms of risk to reward. Yesterday's low, that's a 1-to-1. Whoops. Whoa, don't want that. I'm in short. Last day of the month. Added some longs here. Debt Wolf. Hope debt doesn't take my stop loss. Which morning low am I looking at here? Oh, I got myself mixed up here. But I'll reverse course once we get down in here. Come on, give me my fill. Okay. One win, one loss. What's next? London lows. This London breaker, maybe I just picked the wrong London. Is this the breaker? This one? And the London low is right there. Man, it is just falling right out. There it is, fall is here. I don't know, seasonally, I've been just waiting for these lower prices. Everybody just keeps talking higher highs, but you know, all-time highs are in the scopes. All-time highs, you can't short all-time highs. It's like, I think you can. This is your weekly fib level down here, isn't it, Dat Wolf? Where are we at now? Yeah. It's a strong one for sure. In the macro, last 10 minutes here, open up a new 4-hour candle. What's that gonna look like? New 4-hour. Probably gonna take that London low. I think it already did. So there's the sweep, and then yeah, 23,621 is going to be easy objective to come back up to today for 100 points. I doubt this is going to just keep going. It's going to turn around in here. So there's the London sweep breaker. See you later. Damn, are we gonna go for Asia breaker? Oh my god. Here's the Asia breaker. Where are you? Nice, bro. Turning it around. Okay, so we got high, low. We close above this one. Just have to close above this candle here, and then trade back down into it for a long. But it just might not be ready. Did we close above? No. Which will also be a closure above this fair value gap here. So same. I have a little bit more to go. Who knows? I can get ready for a buy here. 23 seconds to stay above that. This could still go lower. Decent reaction off the weekly fib. Not getting that closure above here. It's still gonna go lower. Or that FEG. If we break this low, we go to 23,456. $456. You might be right. I think I'll take another short if this fails here. I think we're consolidating just so we can move lower again. If anything here in the macro will just like come up a little bit higher just to break lower again. Make a 5-minute order block. Yeah, it doesn't look good. This looks like it's gonna go lower again. $23,456. 456. Oh shit, I missed that. Let's see if it gives me another entry. Still short. You took another short? I am in short. Yeah, he's taking another short. Thank you was in demo profit. Cool. Yeah, I missed that entry. Too busy reading chat. Oh. Let's see if we can get back to here. Actually, I want a better price. I want that one. Said not, forget about it. Too slow. Too slow. If I got that there, 28 points. Targeting Asia low. Actually, I'm still gonna get my chance here in the macro. And put 2 contracts on. Actually, you know what? We are too far now in discount for me to take any more shorts. I should be looking for reversals. Where's that Asia low? Asia low's here. Whoa. There's my entry there. I just... I can't believe how fast that happened. Did you guys see that? That was crazy. So there's the 7 a.m. candle. Heisenberg, it's the 10 o'clock news. Here we go. I did not go short. I'm looking for longs now. Alibaba is up 7.7%. Here we go. This is it. What I'm talking about. I thought Alibaba was gonna pump here any day now. There was something that came out news-wise yesterday. US to make it harder for Intel. Fuck off. Okay, so I'm looking for a closure above this high now. There's probably a reversal in here on the 15-second. Let's see. Did it already happen? No, not yet. Cooper Standard. Let's go. 52-week high. Good stuff. Alibaba reported earnings, that's why. Let's see here. Ain't nothing standard about them. That's right, Cooper Standard for the win. Let's look at their chart. Cooper Standard. Let's go to a weekly. Weekly. Let's go. Looks like we're off to the races. It's gonna hold that one for a couple years. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be. I should buy more. Shit. If I get a nice pullback, I'm gonna buy more. But let's go back to MNQ. 1 minute before I miss my setup. Oh, nothing to miss. Kept on going lower. Made another bottom. Took out Asia lows again. 3 RTP hitting YM. Nice. Good job, Raghav. I think I'm going to be waiting quite a while for a reversal here. Yeah, your losing streak's over. 23,456 incoming. 23,456. Yeah, sure is. So who's next on the 15-minute? Consequent encroachment of this big ass wick here, basically. See, come on. Where is it? There's 50% of that wick. And also at your fib level. Damn, look at this go. It's gonna stop here. It might go for the weekly low. Is it possible to end bearish on this week? Yep, 23,000. Yeah, you too, Raghav. Thanks for coming out. Good job today. Nice to see you get back on the horse. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you next week. Man, I think 23,000. I wouldn't be surprised, dude. There's another bearish order block right there. I'm gonna go for it. Oh, I might have to change my mind here. It has to close below this white candle, and it did. There's no retracement here in the 7 o'clock hour. It's just gonna keep going for the weekly low. I had a feeling, you know what, dude, I had this crazy feeling that that whole week accumulation and then the run up yesterday was the manipulation, and we were gonna just drop like a stone. I had this crazy feeling. I was like, I don't know, but what threw me off was us closing that daily fair value gap here. When we closed up here yesterday, I was like, okay, we're bullish, right? When we closed that in, that's how I was like, hey, we gotta be bullish, even though it didn't feel right. All right. Okay, and there you go. I take a short at the bottom, and now we're gonna do this crazy retracement up. Closing that. And then it keeps going. Okay, I was just trading without a model. 1 week, 1 hour. No, it's gonna just keep going lower. Okay, dude, I'm not seeing shit. No setup here. New hourly candle already did move up. That was this here. That was that retracement right there. Open there, went up. That's all it needed. 23,359. Yeah, it's exactly what I got. And that was another order block that did work out. It's just, I only started looking at order blocks and how to use them. So that's this up close candle right here. So when we come down, get this up close candle, and as soon as it closed below it, that validates it, and then usually you won't trade up above it. But I think this is like my second chance in an entry here. It's a little late, but if it touches the bottom of the order block, that's also a good entry. And then it's going to retreat here. But it shouldn't take the top. Holy cow. Oh yeah, I got 2 contracts on, that's why. But man, that's a huge... I used the Ukata intraday fib levels 5-day look back. Please have a look, it helped me a lot. So that's an indicator, Heisenberg. Ukata. Ukata. Where did you find it? It's not coming up here. Oh, wait, community? Ukata? Technicals? Ukata. Ukata Labs. What's the name of the indicator? Fibonacci. Fibonacci. This one. Let's have a look. Let's put it on. Whoa. Five-day look back. Settings. Days to load 5 days. Average range setting, so turn this to 5. Display mode today. 2 days a week. So a week. Days to load a week. Display mode 5 days. Days to load, you could do all. Okay. Okay, so walk us through, Heisenberg. What's this saying when it says average range? When you got blue, red, is that saying these are oversold? Oh, we took out that low. This is, I need to get out of this trade. You're at 100% away from your, shouldn't be in shorts at 100% fib. Okay, there we go. Well, then we're gonna buy right there. Come on. There we go. Okay, 100% fib. I'm having a hard time seeing this thing. Let's see if we can change where it shows the labels. Let's put it on the center. You could change the labels. Yeah, I'm gonna fix these. Tiny, large. Okay. Oh, you changed the code like yourself. Put it on the right. So I'm guessing from the settings here on the right, like the red line, because it's not showing 100%, the Fibonacci. So red would be 0. Is that what you're saying? And these are extensions. Enable. Move this to the side so we can see a little bit what's happening. Look at this. Heisenberg coming in with the win. Too bad it doesn't tell me what the 0, so the 0 has to be, those fibs are my entries and stops. Okay, but how do you determine your direction, right? So I understand you have the levels, but how do you determine when you hit one whether you're going to go long or short? Is that when you have to bring in the ICT or just your market structure analysis? But I like this thing. Let's see how it reacted at other levels. Bounced around, said we're going lower. I'm gonna remove this other one. I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit. You combine it with your strategy for confluence. Yeah, fair enough. Let's see if we can change it a little bit. I mean, if you're shorting and you're too far, you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're right. That's exactly what happened there. Because then you just keep on looking at lower lows. I like that, man. Current day open, average range. Average range. Let's clean this up a little bit. Style boxes. Lines. Yeah, we want the lines. Visibility, style, inputs. Dotted lines. Line width, nice and thin. That's all right. I appreciate the offer. I think I'll make it work. I'll probably take off the levels just by like doing that. But I'll keep, it's up to you. It sucks adding stuff that already works. Yeah, bro. I appreciate it. I like this. I'll see what I can do with it. Let's see what else we got. Style dotted. It's too bad. Too bad you can't take some of these off. Display mode. No. Oh. Okay. Show labels. Okay. Font size small. There we go. That's a little bit better. Center. Yeah, that's not so bad in the center. And what else? What else can we do? Dun, 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 dun. 23, 50, 61. Okay, man, I like that. I'm gonna give this a go. I'm gonna see how it reacts. Yeah, it gets a little bit busy now. But that's, oh man, holy cow, it's super late. I gotta go, my man. AR1029 is my trading view name. AR1029. I'll write that down, man. I've never Heisenberg. I've never what's it called? Messaged anyone on TradingView. I'll give it a shout, or I'll give it a shot. AR_1029 on TV. Thanks, my dude. Appreciate that. This code kept my PA account for 40 days. Nice. Detwolf, take care. Heisenberg later. Appreciate everything you guys do for me. Anyway, have a great weekend. We'll catch you Monday. How do I end this? There we go. Bye.